Hello everybody, welcome to veenaskitchen.com. Today let's see how to make baked Methi Mathri. To make Mathri, let's take a bowl. Into it add about 1 cup of Maida or all-purpose flour. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of chilli powder, about 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, salt about half a teaspoon, 2 teaspoon of oil, cooking oil. Mix them all well. Little by little water, sprinkle water all over and start making a dough out of it. Add about 1 tablespoon of methi. These are dried fenugreek leaves. If you have fresh fenugreek leaves, please go ahead and add them. Add some dry fenugreek leaves or dry methi. About 1 tablespoon of fenugreek leaves. Pour some more water and we will go ahead and make it into a dough. There you have it. Our Mathri dough is ready. If you want, you can fry it, but I am going to bake it. Our Mathri dough is ready. We will go ahead and roll it and make it into Mathris and then bake it in a preheated oven at about 180 degrees Celsius. Okay, so I am going to take a big ball shape and I am going to flatten it with the help of a rolling pin. Take a shape cutter. This is a bowl, a simple bowl. I'm just going to press it, take it out. So we have a shape like this. I'm going to place it on a bake tray. We'll do the same with the rest of the batter. Now our Mathri shapes are ready. Let us go ahead and bake it at 180 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven for about 20 minutes. Alright, now our Methi Mathri is ready. Let us take it out in a rack to cool before serving it. There you go. Delicious Mathri is now ready to be served. Serve it with a hot cup of tea. Enjoy this Diwali with Methi Mathri.